and welcome to the New York City Department of Education iPad instructional series. My name is Jubis Lopez with District 75, and in this video, I am going to show you how to use split screen on the iPad. Okay, to split screen, let's say that I'm in my Google Meet right now. I'm going to slide my finger from the bottom of the screen to the top to pull up the dock. Here, I want to open Google Chrome side by side with Google Meet. To do that, I'm going to tap and hold the Chrome app. Then I'm going to drag it out to the middle of the screen and to the right, all the way out to the edge of the screen until I see the black bar. Once I see that, I can let go of the app and it'll automatically split the screen. Here on the left, I have Google Meet, and on the right, I have the Google Chrome app. On a website, to change the sizes of my screen, all I have to do is touch and hold this sidebar here and move it either to the left to make my Google Meet smaller or to the right and make my Google Meet bigger and my Chrome app smaller. To close my Chrome app, I will tap and hold that bar and push it all the way out to the edge to close the app and let it go. That is how you use split screen. Thank you for watching. For more support and videos, check out NYC Schools Tech.